Actress Rakhi Sawant on Wednesday met Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant. It was a courtesy meet. Rakhi, while being interviewed on a local news channel, said that she met CM Dr. Pramod Sawant and discussed about her plans to make Goa a film city. She also added that her father was from Goa. When asked about her plans to act in Konkani films, Rakhi Sawant said that she will love to act in Konkani films. The actress, who is currently vacationing in Goa, recently shared a video of her partying in a club as she enjoys her time with fans. In the video, Rakhi can be seen singing her memorable song Pardesiya as the crowd loudly cheers for her. Excited fans give her a louder cheer when she breaks into her viral video Kya Ye Saatni Thi by Yashraj Kathe. Well, Rakhi Sawant was recently seen on reality TV show Bigg Boss. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.